Hello. For today's topic, we'll talk about audit client acceptance and continuance. In acceptance and continuance of client relationships and specific engagement, the firm needs to establish policies and procedures in accepting and continuing its client relationships. So these are three factors that the firm needs to consider. The first is where the firm is competent and has the capabilities to perform the engagement, which also include time and resources. The second one is the firm will be able to comply with ethical requirements. And the third one is its consideration of the client's integrity. So when the audit firm or accounting firm establishes the policies and procedures to accept new client or continue its relationships, these three things they need to be mindful of. With regards to competence, capabilities, and resources, the accounting or audit firm needs to consider the following: relevant knowledge of the industry, experience with regulatory and reporting requirements, its ability to effectively gain required skills, sufficient personnel with required competence, experts availability if the firm will need it, individuals meeting the necessary criteria and eligibility, and completion with the reporting due date. For integrity of the client, the accounting or audit firm needs to consider identity and determine business reputation of client's management, those charged with governance and principal owners, client's business practices, nature of the operation, client's attitude towards accounting standards and internal control, client's concern in maintaining low assurance fees as possible, reason for appointment or non-reappointment of firm, and related party reputation. Now, the engagement partner shall be satisfied the appropriate procedures had been followed in determining client's integrity and competence capabilities of the audit firm. If the information is obtained earlier that will cause the firm to decide to decline, engagement partner communicate promptly to the firm for necessary action. So if the firm doesn't have the capabilities, what are the steps that they need to do? If there are issues on appointment or non-reappointment of audit firm, then they have to communicate this to the audit firm. So it should be clear why they are accepting, continuing, or not accepting or ending the engagement. So there will be chances that the law, regulation, or relevant ethical requirements where auditor is requested or required to communicate with the predecessor auditor, especially if they need or they think it needs to have this communication before accepting the engagement. So it should be known by the prospective audit firm what happened or what are the information that may or may not allow the prospective audit firm to accept new engagement. And that's it for my presentation. Our references for this recorded lecture will be ISA 220, Quality Control for an Audit of Financial Statements, and ISQC 1, Quality Control for Firms that Perform Audits and Reviews of Financial Statements and Other Assurance and Related Services Engagement. This will be both under International Auditing and Assurance Standards Board. Thank you.